Everybody, welcome back. Okay, we're going to go into a little bit more about harmonic mixing, and we just want to give you a little demo of what we're doing. Okay, so the first track here, we're in 120. That's going to be the master, and we'll just set this loop off. Okay, so this is, according to Traktor, this is a major key. All right, it's a major chord. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go straight to another major chord. It should be the same. It's a different tempo, so we're going to enable the key lock, and then we're going to sync it up. So now the key shouldn't change, but the tempo definitely has. Let's kill some lows, and let's see what happens when we play these two together. So you can see that sounds pretty much in key. Let's do a bass swap. Let's deactivate that. Cool. All right, so we've basically just gone from one key and we've stayed in that same key. So we've gone from 5D to 5D. Yeah, sorry about that. So what we've done is we're on a track in 5D and we've just put in a new track and we've stayed at the same, another 5D. I wonder if I should use lines instead. All right, so here's one track and we've just gone to a new track. Boom, we haven't done anything exciting there. So let's try now. Let's go from major, let's go down to minor. So we'll just click that. So now we're going into a different scale. We're going to down it, okay? Let's do that. So we're going to go from 5D here to 5M. Let's see what that sounds like. Find our 5M. Here we go. Put that up in here. We've already got a loop going. And let's kick this one off by hitting 3. Oops, I think I accidentally... Oh, my bad. What have I done there? Here we go. Alright, got a loop going there. Okay. Apologies, that was a bit of a fluff up. Okay, so we're in the same, we'll just turn that off because it's in the same tempo and it's a different key. So we're going from a major chord and we're going to go down to a chord. Let's see what happens. We're synced up. Let's get rid of those. Okay, and we're just going to do a bass swap just to see what happens here. Okay, so there is a little bit of a difference there, isn't there? If we play them together, they're not going to work. See how they don't sound quite right? But that's cool. We just wanted to get an idea. Do a bass swap. Okay, so harmonically it's not bad. It's not offensive to the ears, but we've just changed the energy in quotation marks. So we've gone from a major to a minor chord. So now this one's a bit more of a shoegazer. Would you agree with that? It's not really a hands in the air track, is it? All right, cool bananas. So that's what we've done there. We've gone from 5D to 5M. Let's go back up. Actually, should we go across 4M? No, let's go back up to 5D and then we'll go a different direction. We'll go to 6D. Okay, so let's get our 5D track here. Cool, that's at 122, so we just got to be mindful if the next track, we're going to go to 6D. We're going to go to 6D? We'll just go to 4D, so we'll get another 4D track. What do we got here? Artificial, Viewpoint, beautiful song. Okay, so this one's at 122. Viewpoint is going to be at 120. So before we sync this up, let's just double click this. We just want to click that key lock. Boom, so now it's staying in 4D. And this one should be 4D as well. Let's have a little listen to that. So let's kick this one off. This is our master. We'll sync this one up. Okay, and let's play a little bit of this and see what happens. I've already got some cue markers. All right, doesn't sound too bad, does it? All right, let's get rid of that. Viewpoint by Jesper Riom. Jesper Riom is amazing. Shout out to Julien Bruno, my personal DJ when I'm rich. All right, let's get some kicks going in here. Okay, that's a little bit weird, but that's all right. There's a lot going on there. All right, you get the idea. So yeah, just be mindful of that. So again, like I was saying before in the earlier video, just be mindful of what energy level you want to be doing. So again, if you're going to play some peak time stuff, then for sure start with a major chord, then go up in another major chord. So it'll be like if you're here 5D, you go up, 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 and just build, 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 and see what happens. If you can, if you know, I've got a guitar or something, just play some chords. Go play F, then transition into C or G, or if you got a piano or whatever, and just have a listen. And that will give you a really good idea of the energy that you're going to be bringing to your DJ set. I hope that made sense. It's totally up to you. As always, just use your ears. If it doesn't sound right through your headphones, it ain't going to sound right over a big rig. Oops, we just want to quit that. Don't save. Okay, so yeah, you've got a couple of different options. Another great option is this Beyond Beat Matching book. So this is created by these mixed in key guys. Go and spend, I think it's $10 US. You can get the PDF version. If you're like one of my Facebook friends or my homies, just give me a shout out and get in touch with me, and I can email you a copy. I'll share my copy with you. But it is fantastic. It is so much information about your WAV forms, your files. It goes into energy, tempo, so much stuff, and it looks at a lot of big name DJs and tells you how to mix in key harmonically. It's just fantastic. A great book. I can't recommend it enough. So yeah, once you've got that, just with a little bit of care, you can get a really good DJ set going. So like I said before, your minor chords are your sort of your deep house tracks. So you're chugging along, you don't have your hands in the air. It's a little bit melancholy, but it's cool. And then your major chords are your hands in the air, your happy stuff. So your house and your disco and shit like that. Cool bananas. All right, in the next video, I think we're going to talk about different tracks. So house music versus dubstep, drum and bass, all the different kinds of genres, and we'll have a look at a bit of time signature and how that works. All right, thanks so much for watching. Ciao. Love yous.